my yellow teeth turns to white and more whiter.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and today guys, I will share you another beauty tips, which is on how to make your teeth whiter. So, actually guys, I have a yellow teeth and I'm really working on it to make them whiter. I did not say that yellow teeth it's bad, but if you have a whiter teeth, it looks more pretty when you are wearing your smile. What do you think? So now I will show you how I brush my teeth with baking soda. It's just baking soda and water. So let's start.
So first thing we need to do is we have to have a small bowl to mix the water and baking soda. Just a few drops of water. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add more water if it's needed. A little bit drops and I think it will be good. Exactly, this is what I need. Okay, so brush your teeth like 3 minutes.
Wow. Okay, so I didn't yet rinse my teeth, guys. I just have to wait like 3 minutes so my teeth will absorb the baking soda. So look at this. Yes, I think they look more whiter. The feeling, guys, is like I have been to the dentist for cleaning the teeth. That's exactly what I'm feeling right now. The gums are a little bit painful, but it's okay. It's not too much, but just I can feel my gums right now. It's already 3 minutes, so I have to rinse my teeth now. Okay, so now this is the final look. This is the final look, guys. And inside, guys, see the difference between before and after. And me, if you're asking me, guys, I really saw the difference between before and after. So I am more confident to smile. So another tips, guys, if you would like to look your teeth more whiter, I advise you girls to wear red lipstick. So now I will show you. So now, guys, I will be wearing this red lipstick from Kat Von D, and this is one of my favorite. This is very matte. It will stay on your lips for a long time, even after it. Okay, so now I will show you, and I love the color. It's very nice red. Okay. Okay. So this is very nice from Kat Von D, guys. You can buy this one in Sephora. So this is with the lipstick. Okay, guys, so if you want to look your teeth more whiter, just wear red lipstick after brushing your teeth with baking soda, especially if you have any occasions, brush your teeth so you will have a white teeth, plus wear red lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to put thumbs up my video if you think this video is helpful for you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!